Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Shopee M02. This promotion cannot be redeemed. If you're seeing the M02, this promotion cannot be redeemed message on Shopee, it means the voucher or promo code you're trying to use isn't valid for your current order setup. Now, this isn't really a fixable error. It's more about understanding why it happens. Usually, this occurs because the voucher is already expired, reached its usage limit, or simply doesn't apply to the items in your cart. To double check, go to My Vouchers to see if it's still active or if it has already expired. You'll also notice how much of it has been used. For example, it says 98% used. That means there's still 2% left to redeem. Other possible causes include using the wrong payment method, delivery option, or even ordering outside the eligible region. Some vouchers are limited to new users, specific categories, or official stores only. So before applying a code, make sure it fits your item, payment method, and eligibility. Doing this helps you avoid M02 error and ensures your next voucher works like a charm. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.